Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of spin. A rapid turning or whirling motion. For example, he concluded the dance with a double spin. The second definition of spin. A brief trip in a vehicle for pleasure. For example, a spin around town. American pronunciation. Spin. Spin. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Spin. Say. Spin. Spin means rapid turning or whirling motion. Spin. Spin. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. This affects the action of the blades in spins and jumps. Now, repeat after me. This affects the action of the blades in spins and jumps. The second practice. I flew across the ice doing various jumps, spins, and dance steps. Now, repeat after me. I flew across the ice doing various jumps, spins, and dance steps.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.